Okay, guys, today we're gonna do a VPC from scratch AWS vpc architecture. Gonna go with a simple structure that we're gonna demonstrate on the AWS console. So yeah, let's check what we can do. The simplest one that consists of private that consists or have private and public subnet internet gateway. Yeah, there's something. Yeah, we're gonna create something like this one, I guess, something like this one. So, where main root, custom root. Yeah, it's making sense. It's making sense. Internet gate. So I'm gonna try to explain this structure. By the way, we're having a public subnet that has instance of web servers here. So this, I believe, it has to or is supposed to have internet gateway straight here. So there's a root table and this thing. So private subnet to communicate with public or internet gateway, it has to pass through net gateway. Where net gateway, it will translate the address. Then yeah, let's get our hands state. So gonna come here and search VPC and here's VPC. As you can see by default, every region has a default VPC. So we're gonna create our own. So we're gonna come to here. Since you're on North Virginia, US East one, so gonna be VPC. Yeah, we can create all of them in one, but to understand everything, so we're gonna say given VPC with an, let me check the architecture, it says with an overall VPC of 10.0.0.16. So 10.0.0.0.0/16. Then this default dedicated. Then here we're gonna use default because the reason you're using default because it's because you are not on a dedicated host, so or dedicated instance. So the reason we are going with default and the rest it is what it is. So VPC created, once the VPC is created, we have the VPC gonna create a root table for us, a network access controller is for us, also a security group for us, a security group for us. So to be fast, let me just shoot and create a subnet you want. So gonna create two subnet, which is public and private. So gonna come here and say create, select the VPC given, and gonna say private sub private subnet. Yes, is that will give, even I can leave it as default there, but then here we can't. So gonna say 10.0.0.0.0/24 according to the structure. Yes, it's public anyway, not private. Public. So create. I'm gonna create private private subnet. Gonna put it on different availability zone, or can even put it here. No issue. I can even put it here. So it's gonna be 10.0.1.0/24. Choose which subnet reside in. Let Amazon choose for you. Okay, sure. I'll just choose this one and create. You can choose different. It's up to you. Then my subnet created here. Oh, let me cancel the filter. Oh, it replaced the other ones. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. They're all here. So let me just, yeah, they're here. They're all associated with Mokofan. I mean, given VPC, they're all here. Every zone, yes, one, yes, both, yes, assign. I'm gonna change this thing to yes also, that they can have access to enable automatic assign of IP IP address, not what anyway. So gonna come here, say edit subnet settings, which I'm editing here, then making my public subnet, gonna come say enable auto IP assign, then save, then come back here. It's enabled, then I'm gonna come to my private, also do the same. Actually, edit, enable. Yeah, then you're good. So everything is good. So right now, gonna come here on the root tables. We are from VPC, created subnet. Now we come to root table. So something interesting here. Like earlier on, I said every VPC come with the default root table. So this is default VPC root table. Here is our, so gonna open it. Then the roads here, it says each, okay, the subnets can communicate with each other, but then cannot communicate with the internet itself. How the roads it says, and it default associate the two. So what we're gonna need a root table that is facing the internet, unlike this one is not facing the internet. Then if we can modify this one to face the internet, but then the disadvantage is that whatever the subnet is gonna create, it's gonna face the internet because it's gonna fall within this. So to be on the safe side, we're gonna create a root table. So we're gonna say create, okay, let me say given our root table. Yes. Then select the VPC given, then create. So I'm gonna do a association here. So I'm gonna edit this and take my public, since I want it to be on the public side, and save. So it's saved. Let me go to my default. I don't have this done. doesn't have to exist on my default. So I'm gonna come here on my default, then come to subnet association. As you can see, we only have private here. This other one is not there. So I'm gonna go back to my root table and come here on given root table and gonna edit the routes, whatever from the internet. Oh, I have to create the internet gateway. Right now, I don't have the internet gateway. So I have to create internet gateway that gonna bring access here. So I'm going back to my root table and come here, create internet gateway, create an internet gateway, then gonna say given IG. Just name the name here and with this, then attach it to my VPC, attach to VPC. So each VPC must contain one internet gateway. It's attached, so I'm coming back to my root table and come to the created root table and edit the row and say 00 internet gateway is the appear and save changes. So what's left is security groups. Then I'm gonna come here and create two security groups. So I think I've created this one long ago, but then I will just come in. Let me not delete it and create my own. I will delete it on my own time. So I'm gonna create public SG, then public security, public security group. Then I'm gonna check the VPC. Then I'm gonna create this VPC. Then I'm gonna choose this VPC. Then gonna add inbound rule since it's public. Gonna have uh, HTTP, HTTPS, and SSH. Then gonna be anywhere, anywhere, anywhere. Then gonna create. So everything is done. Let me launch one instance for my public yeah, my public subnets here. So gonna come here, launch instance. Gonna call it public, public S. Yeah, gonna call public S. By the way, so gonna use Ubuntu. I just love Ubuntu. Then gonna create a pair. Maybe let me call it Ubuntu key. For sure, I have one existing. I'm not sure, but yeah. And then gonna come here, edit my network settings. Is what matters. The rest, I think, can leave it default. Then gonna come here, choose public subnet, enable yes. Then select existing security group, choose the one I've just created, public SG. Then yeah, everything is then launch. Let's wait for it to start so that we can test that it accessing internet or there's something wrong we can fix before we can create the back end server public, I mean, or private subnet instance there. So yeah, done. Then let's go connect. Easy to connect. Yeah, let's try to update it. It's connected. Let's try to update it to see if maybe it's working and sudo app get update whatever it is from there. Yes, it has internet access. So let's go and create our private thing. So before I go there, gonna go to my VPC. But I even can go create that thing, but then let me just create it. I'm gonna come here and create a security group that I'm gonna associate it with my private subnet instance. Then gonna say private. This one was for net one, so I'm gonna say private SG. Yes. Then mean for I'm gonna change this for private. Then gonna choose this one CCD. My VPC. Gonna create SSH. Then gonna create all SMP ping thing. So I'm only need this thing. This one for testing. This one for testing. Then since it's my back end thing, I might need maybe MySQL. Can need anything you want that your needs require. So anyway, I need this thing. So okay. Anyway, I have to say this thing must be access to it was it was this address. It was this address, if I'm not mistaken. Let me confirm very well. Yeah, it was this address. It was this address. Then gonna create security group. Then gonna go to EC2. Then gonna create an instance called by let's say whatever the spelling guide doesn't matter. So since my girlfriend is Ubuntu, gonna go with Ubuntu. Can choose a, but I just love Ubuntu. So gonna choose my existing key pair, Ubuntu key GS. Then gonna edit here. Then go to here. My private by default. Enable. Don't need public IP. I can disable. Can come here. Drive SGS. Then everything it is. Then launch instance. Then view all instance. Let's wait for it to launch. Pending, I hope wanna be finished anytime soon. Remember, public surface, internet, this one doesn't have internet access. So you can set it internet access as a net gateway, but if you're willing to see it accessing internet, then yeah, You can request on the command, then I will do it. So gonna come here, then gonna copy this private. Since here is done, then let me clear the screen. Then we're gonna say p to test that the instance is really working. Paste. It needs to give us 100%. Gonna lose data here. Gonna lose data. Let's hope it won't. Even if we try to connect here, you won't be able to connect. This instance does not have a public IPv4 to connect in the instance. Connect browser client. The instance must have IPv4 address. So it is what it is. So yeah, waiting for it to be ping. So I don't know what's taking time. I don't know what's taking time. I don't know what's taking time, but yeah, don't know what's taking time here. Let me interrupt. Let me touch interrupt, then redo the command again. This was supposed to work, but then oh, wait. Let me touch check something first. Then come instance. No, VPC. I think there's something I had to check first here, but yeah, it's on my root table, and it's on this root table. Then it is root, then says 0024. No, but then this one doesn't matter anyway, so it is what it is. But I don't know why taking time. So anyway, thank you.